This could be a tremendous contest. Welcome to this Pro Club's Seasons League match. No question about it, after this campaign, promotion is on the agenda. The game, of course, under floodlights this evening. So let's go straight to the ground. Your commentary team, Martin Tyler and Alan Smith.
Well, with 3 games remaining, surely, Alan, this club is going to march towards promotion. They've just got to keep the form steady, eh?
Yeah, I think that sums it up, Martin. They've been in decent form, picking up points and right on course.
Possession in the midfield area. Rosario Das Marinas takes charge of this game today. Out of harm's way for a goal kick. To get into more advanced positions, they're going to press higher up the pitch, the home team.
Yeah, they really need to put the opposition under more pressure than they have been.
And that's a real tussle for the ball there. And wasted possession. He has been pressed there to running the ball out of play. That's a vital stop. Lambert. Green. It's looking good, this move. Here he is with a chance. Cross coming in now. I don't like to use the word panic, but I think it's appropriate here. Possession changes feet. That's very good defending, and the player had nowhere to go. Vance. And he's got the ball well to set his team on the front foot by intercepting. Tackler has been very successful there. He's got possession. Knight. And in goes the cross. It could be in here. He's gone with a brilliant header. Superbly taken.
Well, he's got a track record of that. On his left side, he's so dangerous. But it's the anticipation as well, wasn't it? Just to get in front of his man.
Well, that's the first goal of the game. It's 1-0. And a quick return pass. Now. And Griffith going to cross it. Well done, the defenders. Good organisation there in the face of a promising move. Oh, the shot was blocked. The interception there was key, really, to the side that's having to defend at the moment. To Green. What a chance here. And here's the shot. And that's the keeper's athleticism there to make that save. And now they've got a corner on the attack again, the team that's leading by 1 goal. Good reflexes by the goalkeeper. Powerful effort. to get the ball early. He's got it now. Here comes the referee into the picture now, Das Marinas. Touch off the player and out.
Well, we might get an update on that injury now from our man Jeff Shreves. Jeff.
Real concern for the bench now, because it looks like he landed with his elbow underneath his body, and that's causing him some serious pain at the moment.
Cheers, Jeff.
Unmarked now, he's lost his marker. And he stopped the play here. That's his decision. No wasting time here. Black. Quinn. This could be a counter-attack on, having won the ball in that tackle. Vance. And he read their minds. Brilliant defending in the circumstances. Good vision to be able to switch the play there. The opposition back off, they could be in trouble when the ball gets to here. He's gone for goal. Still in play here. How unlucky is that? It would have levelled the scores. Good control here. Quite congested midfield, but good passing from this team. Griffin. Lambert. And it's presented to the player by the opposition. Clever change of direction there. Griffin. It's a good interception in his own defensive zone. Good defending. Griffin. A lot can happen in 4 minutes. That's what we've got of added time. And it's Knight. They cut it out. Black. Shot from long range, close range chance. Well, they're a goal up, and now they've got a corner hit. The referee has signalled for half-time, and it's 1-0 here. Well, this is why we used the expression David and Goliath, because David was the underdog, and he won. And the underdogs here are halfway to winning.
Yeah, I think the key thing now is to settle down and not get overexcited for the underdogs. There's a chance for them. Can they take it?
It is time now for the start of the second half. Got there just in time. In the end, a fantastic clearance. Tackled well. Get the shot out, it's still in play. That's what defenders do, head the ball away like that. Green. Kraus. He's cut it out. He's cut out the danger. No mistake about that. Black. He's being challenged now. Oh, what a vital stop. One or two options for the player in possession now. Going to be a goal kick. And Green, excellent positioning, and the interception is made. Lambert. The goalkeeper can come out and take a touch, pick it up when he wants. Taken from them, they've lost it now. Lambert. Good interception by the defender. That's a wonderful pass. And the cross comes in now. Nowhere near the goal, actually. Attacking now, and he's met it with his head. Still seeking the goal that would bring them back onto level terms. This is where you want to try and get control in midfield, and they've got the ball. Ball back, the interceptor got it for them. Kraus. He read it and cut it out. Start again with a goal kick. Lambert. Well, no one's leaving early from this game, which has been contested right from the first whistle, and we're coming towards the last whistle. player. He's pulled up, definitely injured. Still 7 minutes left on the clock.
Well, here we are with this team leading. A surprise lead, the underdogs. Can they hang on? That's the big question.
Well, they're giving everything, Martin. They put an awful lot of effort into this match, and you just wonder whether they can sustain it until the end.
Oh, it's in! The header! Great goal! Looking good with attacking play like this, and this goal.
Well, coming in from the right, that was so inviting. Wonderful delivery.
Great ball, great goal.
Well, full marks for the way he lost his marker there. Good movement in the box.
And it's 2-0 here. And Green. Powell. And the offside is given. Krauser. To Green. That's very well read, and that's a very good interception. Saw it coming, cut it out, good work. Well, only 2 more minutes to be added on by the referee now. It's back, it's their ball again, through good intercepting play. I think it would be easy to throw it to a player in the same colour shirt as you, but it's not obviously easy for him. So it has finished here at 2-0, and a very good game it was. This is a headline result for the underdogs, a genuine surprise, not to say sensation.
I think so. No doubt the favourites didn't play well, but the underdog team, well, they came out the traps breathing fire.
So it's full time, with a final score 2-0. I'll leave you with the full match highlights, and until next time, I've been Jeff Stelling.